All right, welcome back, ladies and gentlemen, to the Chupacabra Tutorials channel. I'm your host, Larry, and today I'm going to show you how to activate a Steam code on Steam so that they know that you own a game when you receive a code for it. Maybe you got it from a friend, maybe you got it from Humble Bundle, wherever. This is how you activate it on the platform. So you go to your library page, and then you go to the lower left-hand corner, and there's a little button with a plus symbol next to it that says Add a Game. Go ahead and click on that, and then click Activate a Product on Steam. From here, you click on Next, you agree to the Steam terms of service and all that good stuff, and then you paste the key in here. I've got one for barotrauma, just to show you how this works. Then you click on Next, and it'll activate to verify that this is an actual code that can be redeemed. If not, it'll throw an error. So you'll either have to get a new code or get a refund from wherever you got it from. Then you go ahead and click on Finish. And from here, it'll ask you if you want to install this game or if you want to wait till later. I'll go ahead and install it just for kicks. And then once you hit finish, you're good to go. It'll start installing, and you can play it when it's done. That's it for this one, ladies and gentlemen. I hope you found this helpful. I've been your host, Larry. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll catch you next time. Bye, everybody, and have a good one.